shovels, they digging real deep. Some humble, they hearken, they listen, they read. Some praise, 7 days of the
Adjust my seat. Hey, so what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Back with another video. I got a couple vlogs I gotta do, and this is one of them. Give y'all a couple updates on this Dodge Journey. That's what I'm in right now. 2017 Dodge Journey. I've been forgetting to do reviews for this car, like pretty much regular updates. I got this car at 29,000 miles back in 2018. We're at 77,000 miles a couple years later. What is it? Yeah, I got this car in 2017. I think, I want to say, no, 2018 going on 2019, I believe. This is when I stayed in Dallas. Yeah, so I got it at 29,000 miles, and now it has 77,000 miles on it. It would be less miles if we stayed in Oklahoma at the time of getting this car, but living in Dallas, it's pretty much impossible. So I put like mainly, this is my wife's car for the most part of it, so she mainly put the miles on here. So I want to say, what, 77,000 miles. Put on pretty much, what, 40,000 miles. Actually a little over 40,000 miles that we put on this car. So that's not bad for, what, 3 years, I think? It'll be 3 years in July, actually, I believe so. If not 4. I forget how long I had this car, but it's been holding up. This car isn't like, I don't really recommend this car to no one else, really. You can get a better, I ain't gonna say better, but I guess what is it called? You can go get like a better made, quality made car, because Dodge Journeys are not known too much for their quality and stuff. But for us having it for 3-some years, I mean, there really ain't been no issues on my end. I just been changing the oil. I haven't did, like, it's certain stuff, things that I don't do on this car that I should make videos on, but I don't, because this car isn't relevant. So I try to stay with what's relevant. So that's the main reason, like, for you Dodge, for some of my subscribers that are a Dodge Journey and subscribe, because I have this Dodge Journey. I don't do a lot of content because this car, you know what I'm saying, just isn't relevant. Not too many people have a Dodge Journey. It's just not relevant. So I try to stay with what's relevant, pretty much. But I'm still got videos for it. I'm gonna give y'all an outside update of what I've done to it and everything like that. But this is just an updated video, updated vlog on the Dodge Journey, what I did, mileage and stuff like that. No major repairs at all. I've done nothing literally but change the oil, man. Literally change the oil, and that's it. Some people have issues with these cars, but I haven't had an issue yet. I take care of my cars, so as y'all know throughout my channel, if you're not new subscribed, you already know, from my Dart all the way to here, I take care of my cars. So but yeah, man, I'm on 77,210 on my chart on this Journey right now. A couple more mods I got to do. Like, once again, this is my wife drives this car mainly, so I don't really do too much to it. There's a lot I want to do to it, but since he drives it, I try to be a little bit considerate. So, but other than that, for the most part, man, like, literally no repairs, man. I can't even think of it off the top. Oh, I forgot that sensor went out. The rear view, pretty much the sensor that makes the sound, so you about to bump into something, parking sensor or whatever. It wasn't nothing wrong with it. It just came out. I guess the glue or whatever came out of it. That was the only thing I've ever done to this car, and that was a 5-minute fix. But for the most part, let me show y'all the outside of the car. So I'm not sure if you see that light under there. Still got the light, all that good stuff. I'm gonna take that out. I was supposed to get a part today or yesterday. I'm gonna take this light blue out. Light blue goes with the whole car. I got everything. New tires are fucking expensive as hell. All this. I got some 250. I always had these. I never showed y'all these. I got some 245 on 5519. I should have got. You can't go up to 255. I think 265 as well. The tire. So you want to go. Really, you want to go 245 by 50. So you kind of keep the same thing. Because if you didn't know, the higher your thread is, or height is. So, but it don't really matter. It is an SUV, so you can go. You can do a 255 on 255. You can do a 255, 55, 19 on it as well. Just giving y'all a couple updates. I changed these tires a long time ago before I even left Dallas. But yeah, I mean, see the difference, I guess. Not too big of a difference because those are 225. They only need a couple things bigger. But for the most part, I think I did a video on it as well. I did black those out. They look a lot better. And I put the blue on the Journey. I got once again, this is at its current state. I still got a couple more videos I got to post before I do this, or I might go ahead and do this before I post them. But I got all this stuff blue. And then, man, that blue throws it all off, bro. I really don't like it, but I had to order these strip. It cost like what, like 10 bucks, but I thought they came with 2, so I would have been changed this already. But that blue, I just don't like. It throws off the whole car now because all my blue pretty much looks the same. But my channel stickers is a little different blue. But yeah, I'm gonna take that off. That's gonna be a recent video for sometime to be posted later. I'm gonna take this bullshit off, man. It's just embarrassing. I'm taking it off. If not, I'm trying to put that back on or whatever. But it's just trash. I'm just gonna peel it off. Simple. And then some newer mods right here. I painted my front grille blue. Be on the lookout for a video like that. I already painted it. I still got remove. I had it double racing stripe, but I got to take this off. Take some of that blue off, as y'all see. You know, I'm gonna keep it as one stripe like that. So I got to finish that up right here. But I do like the difference. Looks a lot nicer with that strip in the middle instead of just that.
Listening to a Monta production. Listening to a Monta production.
So y'all seen the outside and everything like that. Once again, this is just a vlog. But for the most part, I only got a couple more mods to do. I plan on putting the step bar, which I planned on doing like 2 years ago. I just kept procrastinating for some reason. I don't know why I didn't, but now things are so fucking expensive, man. Like, it's the step bar I normally wanted. I had it on my cart. It costs $100, bruh. Like $98 to $100. Now it costs $160 to $200. So it's like, damn, that's a big increase. Inflation and stuff like that is causing a lot of stuff to inflate. Tires, everything is just done, bruh. I don't know. I don't even know to y'all, but a couple more mods I got to do to this car. I set the side stripes, move those off, side skirt stripes. I think the grill was one of them. I might get some speakers as well. I don't think I'll do it, but I might end up getting some speakers because the ones I have from my Lincoln Town car, they fit this car, and those came off my Dodge Charger. So, but I'm gonna get the right ones for the town car. I think, hey, I mean, there's not really much to do. Oh, some mud flaps. I got those on my town car, but I'll update y'all on that as well when I'm in my town car. Not really much. I think I got like literally like 4 more months, like I said earlier, for the most part, and that'll be it. But other than that, man, make sure you like, share the video, smash the subscribe button as well, turn on all post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video, man. It's another Mike Process.